Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Miss me? If you're new to our channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Lizette, and in today's video I am going to be following up with a previous video that I did using Differin Gel. I'll link the video in the cards up here and in the description box down below, so make sure you check that video out. So I'm going to be following up because I've noticed that I've gotten a few questions asking how to use Differin Gel. Do I wash it off at night? And of course, what is my morning routine the following day? So I'm going to be answering all those questions in this video, so stay tuned. So for those of you who know, I've used Differin Gel for a couple of months now. I made a whole video about it. I'll link it in the cards right there and in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out if you haven't seen it already. And I got a few questions asking about Differin Gel, how do I use it, and what is my morning routine. So I thought I'd just make this video and answer those questions for you real quick. So we're going to jump right into the demo. Okay, so now I am going to do my night routine. I'm going to wash my face and then I'm going to pat it dry and apply the Differin Gel just the way I did in my previous video. I'm going to use some of my cleanser. It's just a gentle milk cleansing gel. I don't have any makeup on, obviously, but now I'm gonna go and wash this off and be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna pat my face dry with a paper towel. Then I'm gonna go into my Differin Gel, which is a 0.1%. Looks like this. I'm gonna use a quarter size amount. Put it on my cheeks, my chin, and my forehead. And the rest on my neck. Now I'm gonna let this soak into my skin for about the next 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm off to bed. Now I'm gonna come back with my morning routine. Okay, so it's the morning time and I just wet my face with some water and I'm gonna use my cleanser. I use a Proactive Plus Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. It definitely gives me a light exfoliation and makes my skin feel really smooth. I did a whole video on it. I'm going to link it in the cards up above for you to watch. Okay, now I'm gonna go wash it off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna pat my face dry. And then for moisturizer, I'm going to use this Imani Miracle 7-in-1 primer serum. So it's a primer and a serum. It's like a moisturizer. All right, I'm gonna let that soak in, and that's it for my morning routine. Now back to the video. Okay, you guys, so if you have any questions after watching that demo of me using Differin Gel and following it up with my morning routine, make sure you leave all questions down below. You know I love answering any questions and hearing what you guys think about the video. So let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out the description box where I put all the information in there. And I just want to give you guys a little tip. If you are noticing a breakout is about to come, you know, when like the pimple is just about to come to the surface, or you notice that it's forming underneath the skin, a good benzoyl peroxide acne treatment. I like to use this Day Logic. It looks like this. I'll show you up close. It's an acne treatment and it's a medicated gel and it's maximum strength. So what you do is you put a little pea-sized amount on the pimple and leave it on overnight, and when you wake up in the next morning, I promise it'll be reduced. Clearasil also has a really good one that I used to use, but I didn't see it when I went, so I checked out this one in the drugstore. So that's just a little tip for you guys if you notice that a pimple is about to come or it's forming and it's about to come to the surface. I always notice a reduction in about 1 to 2 days when I use that product, so that's just a tip. So give this video a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the beauty community news, worldwide news, know how to look and feel beautiful, keep up with the latest fashion trends, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then please consider hitting the red subscribe button and clicking the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout the video and in the description box down below, so make sure you follow me there, and I will check you all out very soon. Bye! Check out one of these videos right here. Here's my skincare playlist, and this is my previous video followed by the video at the end.